Greetings, this is Mike from PinballHelp, and welcome to part 3 of our repair video on fixing a Williams electromechanical game, Space Mission, also known as Space Odyssey. And we were having a problem with the player unit not advancing. It would just always stay on one ball. So this here is the player stepper unit, or the ball player stepper unit. I don't even know what they call it. It's this thingy in the back. You'll notice it's the thingy in the back. Anyway, this is what controls what balls are in play and that. And it wasn't stepping. It wasn't advancing. So in the previous video, I indicated what I was working on, which was taking it apart and cleaning it. So now I have taken it apart, cleaned it with alcohol, Q-tips, and cotton swabs. Sprayed a little bit of alcohol-based silicone lube on it and then wiped it all nice and dry. And in certain key areas I put white lithium grease. This is what they recommend. If you can find this stuff, this works well. Generally speaking, you don't want to lube hardly anything in a pinball machine, but sometimes in like little areas, nooks and crannies up in here, it doesn't hurt. But very minimal. You don't want anything really gunked up. So anyway, this is our stepper unit, and let me show you how it's supposed to work. When this thing fires, it's supposed to advance this little wheel right here. This wheel is attached to these fingers on the other side, which make connection in different spots. Now, I didn't have to take the whole thing apart because the wheel itself flowed pretty freely. What didn't flow freely were these two arms that were attached to the electromagnets that ratcheted the wheel. So you see how it moves? See the wheel moves one boonk, 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 like that. That advances the ball. And then when this coil fires, it's supposed to reset it also. Let's see what happens. See that? Resets everything. So advance, 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 reset. So that's how it's supposed to work. So let's turn the game on and see if it works. And I actually have not done this. I just put it together. Okay, so we got our game over thing. Press the start button. Oh, look at that. It says 110. There's always something. Anyway, we'll play this ball and see what happens. Bam! Okay. Drain. Advance. Ball 2, look at that! Yay! It did ball 2. That's exactly what we wanted. Stepper motor's working nicely. Here we go. Let it drain. Ball 3. Cool. We'll let that drain. If this is a 3-ball game, the game should end. And there it is. So, a successful repair on the machine. This, again, was stuck on ball 1 and it wouldn't advance, so we had to go clean some of the gunk on the player stepper motor. I'm still going to continue. Now, I haven't even taken the glass off and cleaned this. I wanted to at least get that working first. So there we are. So there's a successful EM repair. And remember, if you're new to this, as I am, I try not to fiddle with too much. You see all these little switches in here. They can be thrown out of alignment so easily. So whenever I'm working on these things, I try to just fiddle with specific areas. It was this thing right here, which was gunked up and wouldn't move, and it was this thing right in here. This little thing right here wouldn't move either. So now it's all working beautifully, and there we go. So thanks very much for watching. Be sure to visit my website, PinballHelp.com. I'm also on YouTube at YouTube/PinballHelp, and on Facebook at, I don't know, Facebook/PinballHelp. I don't know. You have to check that out. I've also even got a Twitter feed. I don't really use it a whole lot, but Please let me know you like these, because sometimes I don't know how many people are watching, and I really appreciate knowing that I'm helping other people. So thanks, until next time, catch you later.